Here's to your health.
Hello. How did you start your day? Did you start it energetic, ready to go? Or did you start it sluggish, with lack of sleep, lack of energy? Well, I started my day with the ASEA Redox Cell Signaling supplement.
More and more healthcare professionals are talking about the redox and the cell signaling supplements. This product has been around for 15 years now, and you can continue replenishing your body's supply of redox molecules with these supplements. It is called Cell Signaling Supplement, and it comes in a liquid form in the blue bottle you see to your left. And then the white tube, the ASEA Renew 28, that's just the gel form of the liquid. And they both do amazing things for your cell health. It's not magic, it's science. The longer you drink the ASEA Redox Cell Signaling Supplement, the more you will improve your joint mobility. It will reduce your chronic discomfort. Wherever you have discomfort in your body, it will reduce it. It promotes healthy cartilage and connective tissue throughout your body, helps maintain joint structure, function, and flexibility. It will actually enhance your physical performance. You can move faster, recover quicker, go longer, and just like this gentleman in the picture, as it says below his picture, you can go faster, stronger, higher, and better. It's just better overall for better cell health and function. It also promotes healthy nails, gums, eyes. As far as your skin, it's great for reducing deep lines and wrinkles from the inside out and without any kind of cosmetic injections. The Renew 28 is amazing because it decreases the dryness in your skin. It improves your skin's microcirculation, the hydration, the skin tone, and the firmness. So it's just great for age-defying, and it counteracts the premature aging in your skin. It lifts the sagging skin without any kind of surgery. So you end up looking younger, longer. It will definitely take years off your appearance and dramatically reduce the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. So you want to give this a try and see how well it will improve your skin. Thank you so much for watching. And if you would like more information on the ASEA Redox Cell Signaling Supplement products, please see the link in the description below.